Learners, it's me again, your Math Extra here to discuss about multiplication of fractions. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell button for notifications. Okay, for multiplying fractions, naapod tayo mga steps to follow. First is to reduce the given fractions using the GCF or the greatest common factor. Next is, i-multiply daw nato ang numerators. And then, the third step is to multiply the denominators. Okay, so to understand further, let's have some examples. Okay, number 1. If we have 6 over 7 times 4 over 9. So, sa ganitong first step, we have to reduce the given fractions using the GCF or the greatest common factor. Ang purpose ani is to have smaller numbers, no, na atong i-multiply. Kay kung mas gamay, mas dali siya i-multiply, mas less ang mistakes. Okay, so since we are told to use the GCF, so first is, pangitaon na to, we have to look for the GCF of 6 and 9. Why 6 and 9? Kasi kung i-analyze na to ang problem, mo ni siya ang mga numbers na pwede na to ma-reduce or mapagamyan pa, no? In reducing, kailangan numerator o denominator. Okay? So, in this problem, pwede na to ma-reduce ang 6 over 9. Okay, so, first, we have to list the factors of 6. So, what are the factors? 1, 2, 3, and 6 because 1 times 6 will give us 6 and 2 times 3 will give us 6. No? Factors niya. Then for 9, we have, what are the factors of 9? 1, 3, and 9 only because 1 times 9 is 9 and 3 times 3 is equal to 9. So since it's common factor atong pangitaon sa ang pareho, nga pinakadako. So, in this case, we only have 3. So, therefore, the GCF of 6 and 9 is 3. Kung saan na to ng 3 karon, moto siyang atong i-divide sa ato ang numerator o denominator na 6 and 9. So, kung ang 6 i-divide by 3, that will give us 2. And when 9 is divided by 3, that will give us 3. So, karon na-simplify na nato. Na-reduce na nato ang given fractions using the GCF. So, let's proceed to the next step. We have to multiply the numerator. So, as ang numerator, katong naa sa taas. So, instead of 6, we will use 2. Kaya ito namang na-reduce. So, 2 times 4 will give us 8. Then, lastly, we have to multiply the denominator atong nasa baba. So, instead of 9, 3 na itong gamiton, kaya na-reduce. So, kato itong 8 times. 7 times 3 will give us 21. So, kini, simplest form na since na-reduce naman nato ang mga fractions diri sa problem pa lang. Okay? Let's proceed to the next example. We have 2 over 5 times 7 over 8. So, again, no, i-reduce na itong given fractions. So, kung atong i-analyze, pwede na ito ma-reduce ang 2 and 8 na denominator. Di man pwede ang 7 or ang 5. That's odd numbers. So, kini usually, pag even numbers, pwede na siya ma-reduce. So, reduce na to ha. So, we have to look for the GCF of 2 and 8. So, for 2, the factors are, again, looking for GCF, you have to list the factors. Factors of 2 are only 1 times 2. And for 8, we have 1, 2, 4, and 8. That's 1 times 8 and 2 times 4. So, common factor, that is 2. So, therefore, divide nato ni both by 2. 2 divided by 2 will give us 1. And 8 divided by 2 will give us 4. Next step, multiply the numerator. So, that's 1 times 7 equals 7. And then, the denominator, ato i-multiply. So, that's 5 times 4 equals 20. So, the answer for this problem is 7 over 20. Okay, on to our next example and the last. If we have 18 times 5 over 6. So, if you can observe, whole number siya, no? But, actually, kini mga whole number na siya'y denominator na 1. So, we can rewrite the problem para dili kay siya libog as 18 over 1 times 5 over 6. Okay? So, now we can proceed na to the first step. Sige, to i-reduce, no? So, mga even numbers, kini 18 o 6. So, again ha, mag-reduce lang po numerator, denominator. So, since we are going to reduce, kailangan nato makita ang GCF, no? So, ang GCF of 18 and 6 is 6. Diba? So, i-divide nato siya. 18 divided by 6 will give us 3. And 6 divided by 6 will give us 1. So, ato nang i-multiply karon ang numerator and denominator. So, 3 times 5 will give us 15. And sa baba is 1 times 6. I mean 1 times 1. So, that will give us 1. So, atong i-simplify, that will give us 15. Okay? So, that's it for now. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell button for notifications of new videos. Thank you and bye!